I think I finally perfected the peanut butter Smashburger, and mine's topped with a strawberry bacon jam that definitely takes it to the next level. Oh my god, that's so good. And we're gonna start by cooking down some diced bacon over medium-high heat. And like I said last time, keep stirring the bacon during this step, that way everything can cook evenly. And when the bacon's nice and crispy, we're gonna take it out so we can let it drain. Then we're gonna get the grease out of the pan and we're gonna keep it on medium-high heat and we're gonna start to cook down our diced white onion. Just keep stirring and let it sauté for 2 to 3 minutes. And once it's fragrant and smelling delicious, we're gonna add in the diced strawberries. And I know the raspberries I used in my last bacon jam threw a ton of people off, but trust me, it just works. Then we can add the rest of the ingredients, starting with some black coffee or espresso, which is gonna add some nice depth. Then we're gonna add the apple cider vinegar and a little brown sugar, and just give that a stir before we toss the bacon back in. And after we get everything mixed well, all we have to do is season it up with some fresh cracked pepper and a little bit of salt. Then we can drop the heat down to about medium-low and let it simmer for 45 to 50 minutes. And when it's done, it should look a little something like this. Then we can set it aside and we're gonna move on to making our smash burgers. And like always, we're gonna start with 4-ounce balls of 75-25 ground beef and smash it right into our cast iron griddle. And for the seasoning, I like to keep it simple and just use some seasoned salt. And we're gonna let it cook about 80 to 90% of the way through on the first side. And today we're using the hands down best cheese for a burger, American. And after it's nice and melted, we can get the patties off. Then we can quickly toast up our brioche buns and start putting this thing together. Now the bottom bun gets a little bit of peanut butter, then we can place down 2 of our patties. And then we're gonna put a generous amount of that strawberry bacon jam right on top before we cover the top bun in more peanut butter. Then after we place down that top bun, we're ready to enjoy. Now save this video for later and let me know in the comments what burger I should try to make next.